Hello, welcome back. Okay, so I am back. In this video I'm going to explain how you can get Forex funded account. You can get accounts starting from $5,000 to $300,000, and to get those, actually there is challenge that you need to pass. There are two phases in each type of account. You have to pass two phases. So there is phase 1 and phase 2. That's how you get a funded account. You gotta pass phase 1 and you have to pass phase 2 also. So after achieving those two milestones, your account will be reviewed, and in less than 24 hours you will get live account or funded account. So the thing how this firm works is after you get this live trading account, for the first month, let's say you make $1,000. So in the first month the profit split will be 75% for you and 25% for the firm. So first month it is going to be 75% for you and 25% for the firm. That's how you split the profit. But the second month, for the first month you have to wait 30 days to get paid, but after that the payment or the profit split will be bi-weekly. Bi-weekly means every 2 weeks you get paid. So every 2 weeks you will get the profit split, and the percentage will increase at this time. That will be for you 80% and 80% for you, and 20% for the firm. The firm is the company which is funding your account. So after that, after getting paid on the second week, you are going to get 85%, 85 for you and 15% for the firm. So this will be the last milestone. First you get 75% on the first month. After that, after 2 weeks you will get 80% of the profit that you make. Then after another 2 weeks you will get 85%. So after this, every time you are going to get 85% of the profit that you make. So that's quite fair, I guess, because the company will be funding everything. They will control everything. It is legit. It is a regulated company, so you can use this opportunity, I guess. So that's why I am making this video for you. Since you have purchased this course, I'm going to help you to pass each phases. So phase 1 and phase 2. So let's talk about this. Phase 1 is simply you have to make 8%. So if you make 8% of the deposit, let's say you are registered for 10k account. So if you are registered for 10k account, 8% of 10k will be $800. So you have to make $800 on the first phase. So you pass the first phase. In the second phase will be phase 2. In phase 2 you have to make 5%. So the reason why they are making these challenges or these phases, on the first phase 8%, second one 5%, is they want to challenge you. They want to make sure that you are a consistent trader, you have your own strategy, you can make this consistent profit just following the rules that are given by the firm. So there are many rules, almost 6 rules you have to follow. We are going to talk about them through time in a second. So they have to make sure that you're a consistent trader. So it may sound a little bit crazy or a little bit tough, but it's I promise you it's so easy. You just need to follow your own strategy or plan. You are gonna make it. So first you pass 8%, then the second phase 5%. After this done, you will get a live account. So the next step will be live account. So after you get live account, that's it. There is no phase. You can trade flexibly. You can trade on the weekdays. You can trade cryptos also on the weekdays. You can trade on the news. If there is news or fundamental things coming up, you can trade those. You can trade on any lot size that you want. There is no restriction. And yeah, there are some rules. I'm going to show you that on the website. Now the website is this one here. It is called MyForexFunds.com. so copy and paste this one if you can, and go through this link, because this link is affiliate link. You will register through me, because you will get, if you register through this address, you will get 115 sorry, not 115, 112% refund. The refund is, look, to start this journey you need to register first for each type of account. Let's say starting from 5k to 10k, then it goes way up to 300k, right? So you have to register first. For 5k it's $49, for 10k it's $89, like this. It goes up and up. So what they do is, when you make your first profit on the first month, here on this part you will get paid. So you will get your profit, plus on this one you are going to get 112% of the registration fee. The registration fee that you have paid to start the journey will be refunded back with another additional 12% for you, plus the profit that you are making. So now let's go to this website right here, and let's see everything what they have. So the website looks like this, the home page. Okay, so it says start now. You can click start now, but let's go down, scroll it down. They have 3 types of accounts. The first one is called rapid account, the second one is evaluation accounts, and accelerated accounts. So rapid account is for starters, like for newbies who are just joining Forex and they want to participate in this firm. By achieving some milestones, they want to get paid 2, 3, 4%. But if you want to get paid according to your performance, if you want to get paid 80%, 85%, you have to join evaluation account. And accelerated account, it's for professional traders who are trading day and night, who are full-time traders. So you can see their difference here. The rapid one, it's for some experience. If you want to see how this thing works, get to see how prop firm works, get paid as you gain experience, low entry costs, progress into a professional trader. This is just for experience, but while experiencing you will get paid a little bit. But if you want to get paid according to your performance, you have to register for evaluation experienced one. So it says prove your experience with our evaluation account. Quick 2-phase evaluation, as I have explained this to you. There is 2 phases. Then generous drawdown limits. We are going to talk about drawdowns. There are some rules that you need to follow. Then the profit split will be maximum 85%, starting from 75. And the other one is accelerated. It's for traders who are full-time traders. Get started immediately without accelerated funding. So if you are a full-time trader or very experienced, you can start this one without any phases, without any challenge. You will get a live account immediately. Okay, so the industry leading profit split, the split will be more than this, I guess it's industry based. Then we have speed up scaling, multiple sizes to choose from. So you can go for this one, but I don't recommend this unless you are full-time trader. So the type of account we are going for is this one, evaluation account. So you can click on start now. So when you click on this one, it's gonna take you to the page explaining about evaluation. So it says here, a Forex funded account evaluation program is built for Forex traders to prove their skills, semi-professional traders in need of capital to move to the next level to their career, have the opportunity to show their talent and reach their goals in a quick 2-phase process, and join our Forex program and become a funded trader. So let's go back to the doc here and let me explain something here. So the thing is here, the reason why we prefer this is you can get funded account starting from $5,000 USD to 300k, or you can get 300k 2 times, so you can say 600k also. You can get 600 maximum from 5,000 to 600k funded account, and you can split the profit here, as we have explained, about 85%, right? So that's fair enough. If you are struggling to start Forex, I mean, you have the skill, you know how to trade, you have the strategy, you can be profitable, you know that in your heart, you believe that, but you don't have a fund to start, or maybe you have just $100 or $150. So most of the time what happens is, when you start with $100 or $200 in Forex, you get liquidated. You don't have enough margin, you don't have enough space to trade with, so it will be very difficult for you to trade. So what you need is, you can start with huge accounts, but you can do this even only if you are disciplined. You need to be disciplined. If you're not disciplined, you are not going to make it. Look, if you're not disciplined, it doesn't matter if you have $100 account or $5,000 account, right? It doesn't matter, it's same. But if you are disciplined, the $5,000 account or $300K account will be a huge milestone for you, a huge relief for you, because you will have enough margin. You can follow your strategy, you can follow your plans, stick to the whatever strategy you have, and make consistent profit. So through that, you can have this live trading account. So after maybe some time, when you make a lot of money, you can move out of this and you can start your own trading account, right? Where you can make 100% profit for yourself without splitting with anybody, right? So you can do this also. And the other thing is, they have these rules that we need to follow. If you're not going to follow these rules, your account will be banned. This is the catch. There is always a catch, right? I mean, nobody will give you $5,000 to $300K without any rules. Who would do that, right? So you take the $5,000 account and you blow it in one day, right? So that would be loss for them. So to be legit and to be since they are regulated, they have these drawdowns and rules that you need to follow. So the drawdowns are, let's go back to the website and let's see. So here you can read all these notes by yourself. I don't want to do this here. Let's go to the rules. So we have MyForexFunds Rules. We have 6 points to remember always. The first one is 5% daily drawdown. You must not have a 5% drawdown based on your balance or equity, whichever is higher, on your Forex trading account within a 24-hour period starting from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 5% daily drawdown is the first rule. Is here we have first rule is 5% drawdown, 5% daily drawdown. What this means is, you cannot lose more than 5% per day. Maximum loss that you can take in one day or 24 hours is 5%. If you start with 10K account, for example, let's say you start with 10K account, then daily drawdown will be drawdown is 5% of this, that is $500. So if you lose $500, you will be kicked out. That's it, your account will be banned. I mean, your account will not be permanently blocked, but your trading account will be closed. I know this is first phase. I mean, this first phase, you are getting challenged. They are making sure that you are a good trader, right? So while making this, if you lose $500 for 10K account in one day, done, you lost the challenge. You have to go back and start again. So what you have to do is always stick to this rule. Your loss in one day should not be above $500 for 10K account. If it is for 100K account, let's say you registered for 100K account, so your daily drawdown should not be more than $5,000, right? 5% of 100K, that's, yeah, $5,000. So you have to stick to these rules. Daily drawdown, this is very important. So there is another thing that you need to understand here in daily drawdown. It says whichever is higher, from either balance or equity. From balance or equity, whichever is higher. So as you know, balance and equity are different, right? So balance means the amount of money that you started trading with, and equity is the balance plus the profit that you have, either it's plus or minus. Let's say, for example, you started with balance 5,000, okay, 10,000 USD, that's your balance. And your equity is, after you open a trade, let's say you have a profit of $1,000, right? So if you have opened a trade and your profit is $1,000, it's already running. I mean, you didn't close it. You can type this, running. So you have a trade which is running 1,000 USD. Then your equity will be balance, right? The equity will be balance plus the profit. So this will be your equity, your balance is 10k plus your profit 1k, so that will be how much? 11k. So you see, in this scenario, the equity is greater than the balance. The balance is 10k, the equity is 11k, so that means the drawdown will be taken from this one, 11k. It is whichever is higher, right? So you must not have a 5% drawdown based on your balance or equity, whichever is higher. So if your equity is higher, you have to take 5% of the equity. If your balance is higher, you have to take 5% of the balance. So this will be considered, so you don't have to make a drawdown, daily drawdown above 5%. Always stick to this one. Your loss should be below 5%. And the second rule is 12% overall drawdown. Your forex trading account must not go down by 12%, realized or unrealized, to a balance or equity. So here 12% of overall drawdown means, let's say you started with another 10k account. Example, you started with 10k, right? So 10k account, then if you lose total 12% of this account, that is 12% of 10k, that is 1,200, I guess, yeah, $1,200. So if you lose totally $1,200, totally, not daily, let's say in 3 days you took 3 losses per day, you are trading one trade, you're taking one trade, and consecutively for 3 days you lost, and your loss will be totally $1,200. So that means you have failed the challenge. You have to go back and start again. So you see, you have daily drawdown of 5% and total drawdown of 12%. So you need to stick between this. You have to follow this trade. While trading daily, your loss should be less than 5% and total loss should be less than 12%. So if you're following your strategy, there is no way that you are going to lose 12%. I mean, unless you are a crazy trader, unless you are taking crazy trades with huge lot sizes, right? There is no way that you are going to lose 12%. Let's say you're risking like 2-3% of your account, right? As we have discussed in risk ratio reward management, you have to risk maximum 3%, right? So if you're risking 3% of your equity or balance per day, that means to lose 12%, you have to lose 4 days consecutively, right? Who loses 4 days consecutively without making any profit, right? So it's very difficult. If you lose 4 days consecutively without making any profit, believe me, you have to go back. You need to start forex again. You have to read books, you have to go through each and everything. But if you have your own strategy or you plan, I'm sure that you are going to make it. There is no way that you are going to lose 12% totally if you have your strategy. The difficult one will be 5% daily drawdown. Yeah, this will be a little bit difficult, but we will see this in another videos. I'm going to explain everything through time. I have an account here on Forex, MyForexFunds, so I'll show how it works, what amount of daily drawdown I have, and how it's going. So I will show you the journey, but for now let's go back to the website. So the third rule is 8% profit target phase 1. I have explained this one. So in phase 1 you have to make 8% of the account that you register for. If you make this 8%, you will be automatically transferred into phase 2. So in phase 2 you have to make 5% profit target. If you successfully complete phase 1, you will need to start on phase 2, where you are required to reach a profit target of 5% without a breach of any of other rules within 60 calendar days. Okay, so one thing I have to tell you is you have to make 8% target in phase 1, 8% target in 30 days. They give you 30 days. That's more than enough, right? So you have 30 calendar days to trade. In that 30 days, you have to make 8% in phase 1. In phase 2, 5% will be in 60 days. That means you have 30 here, 30 here. So totally we have 2 months. In 2 months, you have to make first 8%, then 5%. So if you make these, you're done. You have successfully passed the challenge. You will be awarded the live account so that you can trade as flexible. I mean, you can trade anytime with any lot size without any targets. After you get the live account, actually there is no profit target. 8%, 5%. You can make 2% per month. Nobody will ask you. You just need to trade. You need to trade. You can make 1%, 2%, 5%. I'm sure you are going to make more than 30% per month. I'm so sure. I will show you the strategies, the secrets that I follow in Forex, so that you can be profitable, right? So the 5th rule is 5 trading day minimum. Okay, so another rule is after you register here, you will get a demo account, right? So these all phases, the challenge will be on demo account. They are going to give you the account. So in that account, at least you have to trade 5 days. Some people, they take huge lot size and they make 8% in 1 day, 5% in 1 day, so totally 2 days. Or some people, they make both 8% and 5% in 1 day, right? So are they gonna give you the live account after 1 day of trading? No, you have to wait at least 5 trading days. They have to make sure that you're gonna stick around, stick with them. So that's why they give you 5 trading days. Then the last one is no trading restrictions. Okay, that's the good thing about them. There are other Forex trading firms or fund firms who give you funded accounts, but they have a lot of restrictions. They won't allow you to trade news. They won't allow you to trade more than a specific lot size. They won't allow you to hold your trades on the weekends. But here on MyForexFund, there is no restriction. Trade your Forex prop firm account, okay, your way, your own way, your size, your time. We do not limit the way you can trade. We do recommend that you maintain the consistency and focus on risk management, as it is very important for long-term success. Beware of all rules before starting. So you have to remember all these 6 rules. Believe me, when you go through again and again, you will understand everything, 6 of them. Then you can you can start, or you can click read all rules, and they will explain each of the rules briefly. Let's see actually. So yeah, you see, rule number 1 we have here a note, rule number 2 we have a note, examples and everything they will explain. So go through these, read all of these 6 rules, right? 7th one, it says profit split. Yeah, let's read this one. The most important question our traders have is, when do we get paid? You will receive your first payout 1 month after you place your first trade in the live account. You see, 1 month after you start trading on the live account. The first payment is monthly, and every payment after that is bi-weekly. For the first month, you have to wait for 30 days, but after that, you will get paid every 2 weeks. And we have here the split. The first one is 75%, then 80%, then 85%. You see, you'll be paid 85% after third payment. In the payment will be, you can use bank wire transfer, you can use PayPal, you can use cryptocurrencies. So it is very flexible. To start also, you can start with PayPal, you can start with credit card or debit card, or cryptocurrencies also. So cryptos, I prefer that because you don't need to get stuffed up with these banks and everything. So you can start with crypto. So click on register now, or you can click on register now. Then it will take you to so registration. you have to choose. Yeah, it's asking you to choose the rapid account, evaluation account, or accelerator. Which one do you want? So we have talked about this. We want evaluation, right? So click on evaluation, start on evaluation, right? Okay, now let's see the types of accounts that they provide. This is the most important part and the interesting one. So as I've told you, it starts from 5,000. We have 5,000 account, 10k account, 20k account, 50k account, 100k, 200k, and 300k last one, right? So for this one, for 5,001, we have okay, for all accounts actually we have phase 1 evaluation phase. On phase 1 you have to make 8%. We have talked about this. Phase 2 you have to make 5%. For all the accounts it's same, 8% and 5%. And the minimum trading days for all of them, it's 5 days. You have to trade at least 5 days to get live trading account after you make 8 and 5%. For 5,000 account we have daily drawdown, that is 5%. 5% is for all of the accounts, it's 5%, but since the amount is different, for this one is 250, right? Your loss should not be more than 250, and overall loss should not be 600, right? Then you have a registration fee, $49. There is no monthly fee for every account. There is no monthly fee. You just need to pay once, but your payment will be refunded on the first paycheck, or when you split the profit with them for first month, you will get the refund. On 10k account you have daily drawdown 500, overall drawdown 1,200, and registration 84. You see, 49 for 5,000, 84 for 10k, 139 for 20k, 299 for 50k, 100k you'll pay 500, for 200k you will pay $979. For 300k account you need to pay $1,389. So in all the accounts the leverage is 1:100. That's pretty much enough, right? 1:100, that's it. So you have to select. If you want to go for 5,000, select plan. If you want to go for 10k, select plan. So let's say you want to go for 10k, you have to pay $84. So click on 10k account, select plan, and you're good to go. So it will add it to your card. You have to choose the platform that you are going to trade. I prefer MT5. You can choose MT4 if you want. MT5, then register. MT4 and MT5 is trading a platform application where you can trade, right? I hope you know that. So we have card here. 10,000 USD valuation standard has been added to your account. Okay, this is my account, my card. I have to fill in all this information: first name, last name, the country that you are from, your address, right, your city, everything, postcode or zip code, your phone number, everything. So you have to fill all of this. Then you have a payment method. So we have a credit card or debit card payment method here, and we have cryptocurrencies. So I prefer Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So click on this one. Click I have read and agreed to the website terms. Okay, I have verified my order. Click on this one, then you can proceed to Coinbase, so you can pay with the cryptocurrency and your order will be ready. So your account will be ready. When the transaction is completed, they will send your login details and everything, your username, your password, to your email. Whatever email that you register here, you have to put your email over here. There is, here in this section you have to put your email so that they can send you your details, right? So after you get your details, you can log into the account and follow everything. So I will show that in the coming up video. For now, if you want to register, if you need help, you let me know. Okay, I will help you through that. Unless and otherwise, register and get ready, because we are going to start this together. All of you, if you want to go through this journey, make sure that you register fast. Okay, I'll put the link in description. I'm going to post this video on YouTube also, because this is the first one, but the other videos, all the strategies that we are going through to pass the phases for the challenge, I'm going to post it only on my application for my students, for those who bought the course. We will be doing live trading. We will trade together we will pass phase 1 together, we will make 8% together, then phase 2 5% together, then we are going to get live trading account together. So I'm going to help each and every one of you to get live trading account. So make sure that you register, make your logins ready. Today is Saturday. I want you all get ready for Monday trading. So Forex will be from Monday to Friday, right? We have to trade only on weekdays. It's closed on weekends. So we are going to start trading on Monday. I'm going to share my analysis. I will go live sometimes, right? I'm going to share everything. We are going to make it together. So I hope I'm going to see you on the next video. The next video will be breakdown on the account, how we can track our analysis, how we can see our progress, right? And how we can log into our MT5. So I will show you everything you need to know. Yeah, so see you next time. Bye.